steer 10 points to port, Ted.
Right you are, my love.
Are the children all right?
Think so. They're down in the stores, sorting things into boxes of 5 and putting them away.
And where's Baby Bunting?
Last I saw him, he was playing hide-and-seek with the crocodile.
That's all right, then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Having radio.
That's 10, plus 2 on top, 12 altogether.
Uh-huh. Soon have all this sorted out.
10 and 3 on top, 13.
13?
There we are. Everything's sorted. What are you doing?
He's hiding.
No! No! Oh, no!
Isn't it always the way, eh? Just when you think things are going well, a crocodile comes along and crushes your boxes. Typical. The number crew had only just got the hang of using boxes of 5 to help them add, and now all their boxes have been crushed into tiny bits. What are they going to use to count all those things now? Oh!
All that work. All that work.
I found some more boxes. Hooray! The trouble is, they're boxes for 10 things, not 5.
Never mind. Better make a start.
I suppose so.
I've put 8 Easter eggs in here.
Hang on. I've got 3 more here. How many more do you need to fill the box?
I've got 8, 9, 10. I've got room for 2 more. That's 10. And 1 left over.
So how many is that altogether? 8 and 3 is...
I know the answer.
How?
Well, you can see. There's 10 in the box and 1 on top. 10 and 1 is 11.
These cardboard boxes are so clever.
They certainly are. Better see what's going on here. As you've just seen, what the number crew did was to add 8 and 3 in a very clever cardboard boxy sort of way. OK, let's see what happened. Flo had a 10 box, yeah? And she also put 8 eggs in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. Now, Bradley had 3 eggs. 8 and 3. Not an easy sum to add, unless you split it. Now, Flo knew by heart that 8 and 2 make 10. So there's room for 2 of Bradley's 3 eggs to go in here, which leaves him with 1. So there's 10 in the box, 1 on top. Let's add them up. 10 plus 1 is, it's easy really, isn't it? 11. You see, 8 and 3 is not so hard, is it? If the sum looks hard, split it. Do it in bits. Makes things much easier. See if you can do this next one.
I've got 9 rolling pins.
And I've got 4 more.
How many's that altogether?
OK, 9 and 4. Again, not an easy sum to do, unless you do it in bits. First of all, put the big number into the tens box. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rolling pins in there. How many have we got over here? 4. So, do you know how much room we've got in the tens box? We've got 9 in there already, remember? So there's room for 1 more. So I'm going to take 1 of my 4 pins and put it in here. Close the lid. So how many have we got left over? 3. Now we know we've already got 10 in the box, so let's just add them together. 10 and 3 is 13. You see, adding 9 and 4 really isn't that hard if you do it the cardboard box way. Make the big number up to 10, split the other number and do it bit by bit. Brilliant! What room have you got still left in the box? How many more do you need to make up 10? Just fill up the box. How many's on top? It's time to add them both together again. Roll up for another one. What room have you got still left in the box? How many more do you need to make up 10? Just fill up the box. How many's on top? It's time to add them both together again. Yeah, split them up, then add them together again. Finding things hard? You got some tricky numbers to add up? Well, do it the easy way. Do the splits. Make the big number up to 10, then see what you got left over, and add them together again. Just think, cardboard boxes. And watch the living numbers as they add 8 and 4.
Bring on the tens box. Let's add 8 and 4. What room have they got still left in that box? How many more do they need to make up 10? Well, they filled up the box, but how many's on top? It's time to freeze the action! So, what's the answer to 8 plus 4? 10 in the box and 2 on top? It's 12! And now for the next one. 9 plus 5. What room have they got still left in that box? How many more do they need to make up 10? They filled up the box, but how many's on top? It's time to freeze the action! So, what's the answer to 9 plus 5? It's 14! 10 in the box and 4 on top. Split them up and add them together again.
Well, it's all very well seeing other people do it, but can you do it yourselves in your head? I've got something for you to try. Split yourselves up into pairs, okay? Call yourselves A and B. Okay, now A, I want you to think of a number between 1 and 5. Don't say it yet. And B, I want you to think of a number between 6 and 9. Okay, you got the numbers? Now tell each other the numbers and try and add them up. See how many different pairs of numbers you can add. Good luck!